said the kitchen's gonna fucking catch on fire. There's that much grease, fucking flames coming out. It wouldn't shift until he had a bacon sandwich.
Well, he's talking about his story on bacon sandwiches on Channel 19.
Where you going? I'm on a schedule though. Meet me side up.
There we go. See if Mega Chippie's there. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger, I'll put my extension speaker in.
Yep, roger that.
Whichever one it is. Okay, I've got the extension speaker on.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger dodger. Magpie Autoscan 5000 UK radio from about 1983.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio there's no tone control.
Roger that. Takes audio as a little on the loud side to the point of distorting a bit.
Oh, turn down the mic gain. The deviation's right.
Yeah, I can see, you know, the deviation's right. It just feels a bit harsh, doesn't it? Takes audio, so.
Yeah, it's one of these mega speech process sets.
Yeah, if you've adjusted it, it's better. Right, good up to the end of the line.
Roger diddly dodger.
And is it back open in Ancaster, did you notice?
Didn't look.
Roger.
Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Have you got your line and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford?
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
On the Magpie Autoscan 5000, UK made set from about 1983 using the standard battery mic, doing 3.6 watts over.
Yep, roger that, all received. Yeah, that mic sounds a bit sort of hollow, if you like. I don't know whether it'd sound better with a standard replacement or not.
It is a very standard mic, which they put a couple of buttons on at the factory. I'm just going to turn the mic gain up and then talking back to the full and just see whether it's distorting now.
Yeah, no, I think it's down to the mic. You know, if you'd have been on a, I didn't realise you were on a standard replacement mic, you see. If I'd have realised that, or not on one, then yeah, it's down to the mic, I think.
Fair enough. I think you're very close to first, which we can get anomalies both ways when you're just outside the door. So, yeah, it's a standard GM525 mic, which the factory's sort of put the rest of them down on. So, that's about it. At the end of the day, the mic's 40 years old.
Yep, roger that. I have no problem understanding you anyway, so it is working. The Wilsford level crossing's been and gone, by the way.
Goodbye. Wilson level crossing.
Right, we're passing the Kelby turn.
Have you got your service then?
Passing the Greyleys turn.
There you go, you're the Greyleys then.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Once you got you at the 5 mile point, then on the full surface scan 5,000 from 1983, 33.6 watts, 21.228 amps, 1.28. Go to low power, 330 milliwatts on this. Here we go, 54321. There we are on low power, radio sound going 530 milliamps to deliver 330 milliwatts. Now we go to full power, and then we are back on full power over.
Yep, roger that. No problems on full power. A bit noisy on low power. Could still copy you over.
We're over on left after you when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger.
Right, we're now square wheeled at the level crossing.
Well, we got your square wheel at the level crossing.
Sure. over. Yep, same as it has been, 142.9 and 148.7.
Excellent, that was the street, thanks very much.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from this Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. And what's the petrol price at that end today, please, over?
Yep, same as it has been, 142.9 and 148.7.
Excellent, that worked a treat, thanks very much.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
10-10. Okay, so that worked fine. So don't take any notice of it doing 3.6 watts, it doesn't make any difference anyway. And it will probably be 4 when it's cold. We'll just go over to our base station and 76900 Midland, see what it sounds like. So very speech processed, is to be punchy. Let's see what it sounds like.
Tango 21 testing the Magpie Autoscan 5000 into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pop it on low power. There we're on low power. Testing 1, 2, 3, so 330 milliwatts back to full power, 3.6 watts. Just going to turn the mic gain down a fraction just in case that helps with things. And there we are at 3/4, testing 1, 2, 3. There we are at half, testing 1, 2, 3. 3/4, 1, 2, 3, and back to full. So we've got some other sets. I know there's another UK set, EMS Mercury 1040, another Uniden, and we've got the Intec Ham Portable. Was it? Yeah, it's an Intec 1520. Thanks for watching. The Magpie Autoscan 5000 from 1983.